forget to click the subscribe button below for every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, we're actually on our way to Country Mall. Nandito kami ngayon sa my IT Park and we're currently waiting for a jeepney or a bus going that way. At yung kasama ko ngayon I see none other than
Pretty, the healthy.
na walang tulog.
Pretty, the healthy, the fresh.
Na walang tulog.
It's me.
Bakit
We're
tayo
going
nandito?
to meet Lindsay Lohan.
Aw.
Because close by at the Drew.
At the world premiere at
World
Country Mall.
At Country Mall, Drew. You cannot afford Drew.
That's the cheapest ticket that we can buy here in Cebu.
You cannot afford IMAX.
Hindi natin afford yung SM. Hindi natin afford yung Ayala.
I was expecting for more, Drew.
Oh.
Here we are, nagko-commute tayo. Second ride na namin, guys.
Meron na palang route dito, no? Papuntang Manila area. Open na pala
It's
yung
open.
kalsada dito. Before, it wasn't open, right? Hindi kayo makadaan dyan.
Ang sabihin mo, Drew, hindi mo alam kasi you were never here. About 48 years.
Yan na ang sakyan natin.
Sure ba?
Okay, ito na yung sakyan namin, guys. We're inside the bus and we're on our way to Country Mall. See you there, guys. Just arrived. We just took a bus going here. It took us like less than 5 minutes lang. At yung fare is 19 pesos from IT Park. Baka kala ni Kuya, yung isang Gaisano, yung sa may Mandaue talaga, no?
Tinanong ko sa'yo.
Or baka standard rate talaga yun. 19 pesos. Ang sakit.
I was wrong, guys. Kasi sinabi ko, Gaisano.
Gaisano
It
mo.
should have been Country Mall. I think we were overcharged. My mistake. Shout out, Kuya, kung na-watch mo man to. Pasauli ng... charot.
The movies that are currently showing is I Know What You Did Last Summer at yung Fantastic Four, but walang Freaky Friday. Sana yung Freaky Friday.
Feeling ko, meron sa loob, pero wala dyan.
We're gonna check out the movie schedule kung anong time mag-start yung mga movies nila.
I did my research. It will start at 1:10.
Saan mo na-check?
Sa page nila.
Sa Facebook?
Sa Country Mall page.
Website talaga?
Sa Facebook. Guys, 25 lang, oh.
Love coffee.
Buy one take one sila, too. Ano na?
Na.
After 48 years, ngayon lang tayo ulit naka-up sa ating
Official mall.
Welcome back to us. Yan na, guys. Malapit na tayo sa City Lights. Oh my God,
Tapos tayo lang pala nandoon.
we're here, guys. Ano, Country Mall.
Dalawa lang yung showing tayo.
Oh, see? I told you.
Freakier Friday at Weapons.
Tapos dalawa lang tayo manonood.
We don't have the money.
Oo pala.
Withdraw muna tayo.
What the fuck, guys? Yun lang ang showing.
Freakier Friday at Weapons.
Let's secure tickets first. Wala na bang hahabol? Sino gusto mong mahabol? Comment down. This is my Jollibee. The Lemon Coke. I think that is possible, Drew, because we cannot afford.
Isang ATM lang pala meron dito.
What do we have downstairs?
Mag-withdraw muna kami. We'll be right back.
No, Drew, walang cut dapat to, Drew.
sa may grocery area nila at sa may food court area. Ito po yung mga in-order namin dito sa bagong food court ng Country Mall. We've ordered the pork sisig. This is for how much that?
89.
Walang drinks, only the pork sisig. Pork and shrimp na siomai for 56. And then Japanese siomai for 65. We bought some puso. We bought chips, drinks. This is for the movie. And this is our lunch.
Guys, ang grocery is total of cherries.
Ito pala guys yung bagong food court dito sa Country Mall. May stage pa sila.
Vlog mo yung Frozen. Yung nakita pa natin si Aison sa entrance.
The ticket that we bought at the Cineplex, it's only for 200 pesos per ticket. Correct ba? We're going to watch Freakier Friday, yung sequel ng Freaky Friday. Lahat ng mga cast nandoon. Super excited na makita si Christina Vidal.
Si Chad.
Close na, si Chad. Chad Michael.
My ex.
Flipping of hair, slow-mo. At meron na din doon Pinoy Del.
Yeah.
Regional. That's Manny Jacinto.
Looking forward.
Nakita mo ba yung The Good Place? Yung kasama sila Kristen sino yung sa Frozen? Yung si Anna? Si Kristen Bell? Sila yung kasama doon. Comedy din yun. So baka maganda yung acting niya dito kasi comedian naman siya. The
Mga
Good
viewers
Place.
mo, Drew ba? Who the fuck?
The Good Place, guys. Meron siya sa Netflix. So you can watch it. Comedy siya. Yung parang afterlife ba, namatay ka na and then you're gonna go to limbo. Akala nila napunta na sila sa heaven but napunta pala sila sa hell.
I saw some clips.
Oh, maganda yun tao. You have to
Kristen
watch
Bell.
it.
Kumakain ako.
And time check, it's already 12:40. Yung showing is at 1:10.
Punta tayo alauna ha?
Yeah, dapat nandun na tayo.
Paano ba ang sitting? First come, first serve?
Kahit saan.
Iba naman ang ticket
I
ngayon.
think
Dito
parang
siya,
tayo lang. I think parang tayo lang talaga na. Kasi yung guard kanina sabi ni ate,
Mag-watch na.
watch na kayo.
Since sa part ta.
So since sa yeah, dapat tayo doon tayo sa middle. Yeah.
Wala kang katabi.
Pero di ba nung meron yung sila noon yung parang balcony at sa orchestra, di ba?
Dito?
Oo, noon.
I forgot. Tapos yung binibili natin is yung tag 160,
Yung sa
tag
taas.
175.
Di ba? Yung sa taas tayo usually.
Baka hindi pa nila ito na-discover.
Baka naman. So sa lahat ng mga movie lovers dyan, punta na kayo dito sa Country Mall. Meron silang cinema dito. At 200 pesos lang yung ticket.
Yeah. That's it, guys.
Kain muna tayo. We'll be right back. Kumain sa my food court nila, and right now nandito kami sa my Cineplex area, and this is the receipts. This is only for 200 pesos per person, guys. So we're gonna watch Freakier Friday, the sequel of Freaky Friday.
Siguro ang mangyayari is it's more freakier
Yeah.
because the title is Freakier
Freakier.
Friday.
Sayang naman wala nang showing yung
I know what you did. Lipat tayo sa ano.
doon sa sine.
Uy, baka sila manood sila.
Oo.
May isang show dito guys, hindi namin alam, pero parang horror siya, tas made from the production of Barbarian, if you know.
Yeah, maganda na yung Barbarian. Baka maganda kaya.
I think okay yan. Lahat sila wala ngayon. Dalawa lang ang show ngayon. Saan ang Cineplex 3, Cineplex 4?
Nasa likod mo.
Ah. So, I wanna know why it's closed.
Ay, wow. Mag-goose hunting.
Tingnan mo, 1, 2, 6 ang ano nila, cinema. So, why is it dalawa lang ang ino-open nila? Anong oras na? Ala, tara na.
1 nata.
Your camera.
Yeah, hindi tayo makapagpasok ng camera, guys. Bawal mag-pirate ng mga movie.
May pinaparinggan ba si Anne?
Let's go.
Okay, let's let's go.
We're going inside and we're going to watch Freakier Friday by Lindsay Lohan and Jamie Lee Curtis. So see you in 2 hours.
Much later.
We just finished watching Freakier Friday. It was super fun to watch Lindsay Lohan and Jamie Lee Curtis.
Is it Andrew approved?
Yes.
It is Andrew approved.
It's a fun movie,
Still,
no?
family, fun.
Mas maganda pa siya sa original.
Yeah, level up lang.
Level up na sila. At least maganda yung story. Maganda yung bagong song nila. Diba?
Yeah, sure.
With Lindsay Lohan and sino yung isang actress? Sino kilala yung isang actress na yun?
The
daughter.
I don't know.
Hindi ko din kilala yung isa, yung Pilipina na daughter din. Pero kilala ko yun si Manny Jacinto.
Wow, close through.
Yeah.
Ang hot niya magsalita, no?
Oo nga.
Parang siyang hindi Pinoy, parang Korean na nag-learn ng English
Ng
ba?
English.
Kasi if you hear Koreans that learned English, they sound parang from London. Is it recommendable or what?
Yes, very recommendable. 5 stars. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. You gotta watch it.
It's one of those movies na they did not fail us. Mga fan ng dyan, Freaky Friday.
The
You better.
original.
Show me. Let's try. Let's go.
Let's go. Ayan.
There's a vibe.
Pasok lang. Let's go. Thank you.
Guys, update. Andito tayo ngayon sa... How do you read that in
Gur-
Korean?
Huh?
Gurum? Gurum Cafe?
Guryum.
Wrong na tayo.
This is their menu. Meron silang rice and main dishes, sandwiches, snacks, desserts, coffee.
Asan yung coffee, Drew?
Dito sa pinakalas. Meron silang Americano, cafe latte, vanilla latte, non-coffee.
Very cafe-like. Which one? Signature is tatlo. Yung Gurum Spanish, Gurum Caramel. Wow, may biscoff, Drew. But I think we should try the affogato, Drew.
May matcha series din sila. Char.
Wrong na naman.
Matcha na.
Yan o, yung pangatlo ang natin, the affogato. Kasi, ang haba ng description niya. Chunk of our nutty brownie at the bottom. Cream vanilla ice cream. Another brownie, chunk on top. And then finish with 2 shots. Kasi may espresso, Drew. Our signature drink. I like this kasi parang feel mo ang espresso, the coffee. Okay, I'm gonna order na. Kani sir, duha ka affogato.
Ito po yung setup dito sa itaas. Let's go back down.
Parang ganito yung Korean inspired. Kasi, baka Korean talaga doon. Guruman ka, gurum.
We finally have our orders for today. So this is another tragedy. So this is the, what do you call it? Ang haba ng title ng drink na to.
Affogato. Affogato ng alam ko.
Guryum. Guryum. Guryum affogato.
Paano sa ni pronounce ba?
Gurum.
Gurum? Yes, ma'am.
Gurum. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo. Okay. So gurum pala yung pronunciation ng cafe na to. At yung in-order namin ay yung signature drink nila na Gurum Affogato. This is the description, okay? So a chunk of nutty brownie at the bottom, creamy vanilla ice cream, another brownie chunk on the top. Saan yung chunk? On the top.
This one,
Okay. Okay, meron pala sa ibaba at meron sa itaas. And to finish with 2 shots of hot espresso, our signature treat. So this is only for 200 pesos at isa lang po yung choice nila dito. This is the ice version because it's ice cream. This is the affogato. Meron siyang ice cream, 2 scoop ng vanilla ice cream, 2 chunks of brownies, a mint on the top. Ito po yung 2 shots of espresso. How are we going to do this?
Diba, sabi ko sa'yo, wrong na naman tayo. Uhaw na uhaw pa, tapos ito yung in-order mo.
We're gonna pour the 2 shots of espresso.
Doon na ano dun
Ganyan na lang, no?
I-mix mo.
No. Makaiba na ata yung lasa pag i-mix mo.
Comment down below.
Correct na ba to? Kung i-mix mo to, parang pangit siya.
Anong lasa ngayon?
Vanilla ice cream with the shot. Okay lang naman.
Sarap.
Masarap siya. This is the affogato dito sa Guru.
Wala nang ibang i-order, Drew.
Wala na, yun na. Kumain na kami kanina dun sa may food court. Tapos bili pa kami ng mga pagkain sa grocery. And then kumain kami kanina while we're watching the Freakier Friday. Don't forget to watch it, guys.
Drink siya na may drama. Ganon. Gusto ko yung tunaw siya. Sa maging drink talaga siya. This is my cup of tea. Oh,
kapat.
charot lang. Day off ko ngayon. Ewan ko sa iba dyan.
Sana all. Just finished our cafe keme-keme at
Quick moment.
what do you call that cafe? Gurum.
Spell says G-U-R-E-U-M but pronounces as Guru.
What can you say about the cafe and what we've ordered?
Okay lang siya.
Too sweet yung affogato for me.
Okay lang siya dun, guys, but you have to make sure you are ordering the right, order for you. Kung babalik tayo dyan, iba na yung ordering ko para ma-try naman yung iba. Okay naman siya dun, guys. Talagang ano siya, fresh yung cafe at isipin nyo talaga anong gusto nyo. Nice yung cafe. Chill kayo ng barkada mo.
Better visit Gurum Cafe if you happen to be in Country Mall area. Malapit na siya sa may
Eto
A
na, oh.
Taste of Mandarin.
Ay, iba din to?
Yeah, iba din yan. A Taste of Mandarin. It's like in the middle, but it's on the 2nd floor.
Okay.
So may stairs pa siya sa pataas.
Yes, and watch Freakier Friday. Sayang yung weapon, Drew, no?
Yun na nga. Ano, i-watch natin?
7 ka na makakauwi.
We're on our way home. We're gonna take a bus. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye.
Guys, no, walang stop. Hindi pa tayo shoot may bus.